Good afternoon, folks. It's Chris here at Fillmore Buick GMC. Today we have a 2017 GMC Yukon Denali. As you can see, it sports the Denali grille in the front. You have 22-inch chrome wheels that come with the Denali Ultimate package, and you also have automatic running boards that come along with the vehicle. And we take you to the interior. You have your Bose sound system. You have your memory seats. You also have your heads-up display. You have heated steering wheel with heated and cooled seats, navigation. It's a pretty loaded vehicle. You also have your wireless charging, and we take you to the second row where you have plenty of space. Second row is going to be heated. You also have rear entertainment in this vehicle as well. Let's take you to the rear of the vehicle where you also have a programmable hands-free lift gate, where the third row is powered along with the second row. These four buttons in the back, lay them flat. Second row lays flat for extra cargo space.